Okay, we're going to read I Am the Shark. Written by Joan Holub. Illustrated by Laurie Keller. There's pretty pictures in this one too. I am the shark. Hey there, my name is Great White Shark. I am the greatest shark in this book. No, you're not. I am Whale Shark. I am the greatest shark in this book because I'm the biggest. I'm as big as a school bus. I'm the biggest fish on earth. I'm so big, I don't even fit on this page. Compared to me, you are small. Interesting theory, but being small is great too. It means I can swim through spaces where you won't fit. Plus, I don't have to eat as much as you. Saves me time on hunting. Hooray! I am the smallest shark in this book. No, you're not. I'm the smallest shark. I'm the smallest. I'm only as big as a person's hand. Dwarf lantern shark is my name. Small and glowing, that's me. I can fit through even smaller spaces than you. I'm thinking that a tiny shark like you probably has a tiny brain. I'm smart and curious. Maybe I am the smartest shark in this book. Or maybe you're not. Excuse me. I'm Hammerhead Shark. I've got a large brain between these eyes on both ends of my hammer-shaped head. And while I'm thinking smart thoughts, I can see up and down and all around. I've got a better view of the ocean than any other shark. Wow! How can I top that? Top? Hey, that's it! I have a gray top or back. Unsuspecting prey above me don't even notice me against the dark-colored water below me until jump! Yet my tummy is white, so to prey looking up from below me, I blend in with the lighter sky above. This is called counter shading, and it makes me the sneakiest shark in this book. No, you're not. Who said that? Don't know. Not sure. Surprise! I am Angel Shark. Camouflage makes me the sneakiest shark in this book. My back is covered with spots. So when I hid under the sand just now, I looked like part of the ocean floor. Then, wahoo! Ambush! Crumbs. Guess I'm not the sneakiest after all. Wait! I know. I'm great at finding prey, like seals, sea lions, and small whales. I must be the best hunter in this book. Nuh-uh. I'm as good a hunter as you, maybe better. I am Tiger Shark. I hunt animals like seals and squid, but there's a reason they call me the garbage can of the ocean. It's because I gobble other stuff too. One time I ate a clock, a car tire, and a car tire. True story. It's better for the environment if garbage doesn't ever wind up in the ocean, though. Sigh. This being one-upped is getting old. Old? That reminds me. I have been in this book since the very first page, so I must be the oldest shark in this book. No, you're not. I'm Greenland Shark, and I am 400 years old. No other animal with vertebrae, a backbone or spine, can live longer than that. So you are definitely younger than me. Okay, moving on. Let's see. I've got fins like a fish. Maybe I am the fishiest shark in this book. But all sharks are fish. And we all have fins. Good point. Still, I'm the great white shark. So I've got to be the greatest at something, right? Let's review some shark facts. Maybe it'll help me figure out the greatest thing about me. Here goes. But first, a little diagram of me, the great white shark. Not all sharks have these same body parts. Dorsal fins right here and right here for balance and turning. caudal, I don't know how to say that, caudal fin. This tail fin pushes me forward, which is super important. Anal fin gives extra stability. 2 pelvic fins for stability so I don't roll over and to help me stop. 2 pectoral fins to stay afloat and steer. Lateral line. Tubes under my skin along both sides of my body that detect the movements of prey in the water. How cool is that? Spherical breathing opening. Gills pull oxygen from water for breathing. Pit organs located on my back, side, and jaw. These detect water currents that might lead me to prey. Nostrils for smelling. Snout. Ampullae of Lorenzini. A system of jelly-filled pores on my head that detect electrical fields caused by the movements of prey in the water. Wow, that's a lot of reading. Now for some fantastic shark facts. Sharks are fish. Most fish have bones, but sharks don't. Our skeletons are made of cartilage like people's ears. It bends, so we can twist, turn, and swim fast. It's lightweight to help us float. Sharks and people have 5 senses: hearing, smelling, touching, sight, and taste. Sharks also have these ample of Lorenzini, lateral lines, and pit organs, which help detect electrical and magnetic fields, temperature changes, or even ocean currents. Sharks have fins that act as paddles. Tilting a fin helps us to change direction, move up, down, or forward, or move slower or faster. Some sharks, like the great whites, must keep swimming to breathe underwater. Water flows into our open mouths as we swim. Our bodies pull oxygen from the water as it flows back out of us through slits in our sides called gills. Female sharks are usually bigger than male sharks. We have lots of teeth in rows. If a tooth falls out, no problem. Another one moves forward to take its place. Sharks are covered with tiny scales called denticles that protect us like a knight's armor. Our skin feels smooth if stroked from head to tail, but like sandpaper when stroked the opposite direction. Sharks, rough like sandpaper. Sharks have lived on Earth since before the dinosaurs. Most sharks are meat eaters called carnivores. We are amazing hunters, predators, top of the food chain. We hunt and eat other animals called prey, such as fish or seals. Some sharks eat plants and tiny animals called plankton. Some baby sharks hatch from eggs, but many shark moms give birth to live young sharks called pups. Newborn shark pups can swim right away. They'd have to. Why? Because we just learned that they have to keep moving forward in order to have oxygen. Remember that? Okay. Speaking of food, I've got a feeling. Snack alert! Let's go race you! Whoever gets there first wins the prey! Woohoo! I'm faster than those other sharks. I am way ahead. I'm going 35 miles per hour. I am the fastest swimmer in this book. A third mile or more away. I smell you, snacks. They're a third mile or more away. 800 feet. I can hear you. Snack attack. 30 to 50 feet away. I can see you any minute now. Whoosh. I'm Mako, the fastest shark in this book. I've been clocked swimming 46 miles per hour. I win the prey. Hooray! Huh? Who is that? He ate the fish. All the other sharks in this book are better than me. Could it be that I'm not the greatest? Maybe I should change my name to just Okay White Shark or Not So Great White Shark. Dude, there's always going to be somebody that's bigger, smaller, glowier. My goodness. Smarter, sneakier, older, faster, or whatever. Just be happy being you. Happy? That's it. Everyone loves my big, bright smile. They take my picture wherever I go. I mean, who else do you know with 300 jagged, triangular shaped, 2-inch long, pearly whites? It's awesome to be me. Beware of sharks. I have the greatest smile in this book. There are about 500 species or kinds of sharks around the world. Most sharks live in saltwater oceans, but some of us like freshwater, non-salty rivers. Our eating habits help keep oceans healthy by balancing how many and what kinds of creatures live there.
I can pause it.
Okay, I'm almost done with it. This is like the last... Oh, there's only like 2 pages left.
Done.
All right, is it rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. We got paused. Great white shark, toothiest, aka Jaws. I'm named for my white tummy. I have the strongest bite of any shark. Unlike most sharks, I'm warm-blooded, so I can control my body temperature when I visit cool and warm waters. I'm 15 to 20 feet long. That's a big shark, huh? Angel shark, sneakiest. I'm flat with wing-like fins that make me look like a stingray. Unlike some sharks, I don't have to keep swimming to breathe. My cheek muscles and spiracles can pump in oxygen-rich water that exits through my gill slits. I'm about 6 feet long. Wow, I didn't realize the angel shark was that big. Mako shark, fastest. I'm shiny like blue metal. I'm really good at leaping out of the water. That's called breaching. There are 2 kinds of makos, long fin and short fin. I'm a short fin. I'm about 10 feet long. Hammerhead shark, brainiest. I got my name because my head is shaped like a hammer. The location of my eyes lets me see in every direction except right in front of my nose. I can measure up to 20 feet long. These sharks are all huge. Whale shark, it's the biggest. Most of the biggest sharks, like me, are filter eaters. My mouth is almost 5 feet wide. I'm 5'1", guys. Wow, I swim with it open to let meals of small fish and tiny plants float inside. I'm about 30 to 40 feet long. Ah, it's huge. Greenland shark, oldest. I swim very slowly, less than 1 mile per hour. I live in the cold Arctic near the top of the world, and can dive deep about 7,000 feet. I grow up to 23 feet long. The dwarf lantern shark is the smallest. I'm bioluminescent. That means my body can change chemical energy into light energy that makes my fins and tummy glow. This helps me find food in the deep, dark ocean. I'm about 7 inches long. So 1 inch longer than from tip to tip.
No, it's 1 inch.
7 inches. It's a little over 1 inch on that page, but that's not its true to size shape. Length. Tiger shark, aka garbage can. I have dark stripes like a tiger. I'm one of the most dangerous sharks, second to great whites. Shark attacks on people are very rare, though. I'm 10 to 14 feet. Why is there a bear in this book? Great white shark tooth. No, I'm almost done. Actual size. Oh, this is the actual size. Put your hand there. Is it longer than your finger? Wow, look at that. That's how big the tooth is from the great white shark. Bear shark is the furriest. I'm a shark too. No, you're not. All right, here we go. It's the last one. Wait, what? Excuse me, but sharks do not have fur or claws. So you are not a shark. You seem cool and all, but you are a bear, obviously. And a bear does not belong in a shark book. Great point. I know. I'll go find my own book to star in. I will call it I Am the Bear. I'll be the only bear inside it. It'll be all about me, me, me. Only me. Awesome possum. Later, sharks. More books to sink your teeth into.
That's
all right. Nope. This is the last bit.
No, skip it.
It says don't swim near sharks. This is important information. We can be dangerous.
I'm
all right,
stopping it.
The end.
it.